Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther, and today we're going to check out how to design a starfish in Illustrator. First step, I'm going to select the circle. I'm going to swap it from fill to stroke. So I'm going to be on a stroke, click on the stroke so it's going to be on the top. I'm going to change the color to cyan. And I'm going to press and hold Shift plus Alt, create a circle. And now I'm going to go back to the circle and select the star tool. Now I'm going to move the cursor somewhere in the center of the circle. I'm going to press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale it up. I'm going to select the direct selection tool from here. And as you can see, it has these little circles. I'm just going to pull it and it's going to create this rounded star. I'm going to change the color of the star to orange. I'm going to go back to the stroke. I'm going to decrease it a little more and I'm going to go back to the circle. I'm going to increase the thickness of the circle. I'm going to click dashed line. The main idea is the first one to be on 0 pt, second one you can decrease it somewhere around 16 and make sure the cap is rounded. We got these dots going on. Right here is not well proportioned, so I'm gonna need to decrease a little more. Okay, so 13 is good. From here I'm gonna select both, go to Object, Blend and Make. By the way, you can see that these are rectangular, so I'm going to select the composition, go back to the stroke and make sure that is on round cap. It's going to make round this one also. And this is how I make an abstract starfish in Illustrator. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.